open Cutie Fruities. Let's start. Ooh, it's easy to open, guys. I love it. First, we're gonna start with the little one. The big one is hard. Let's open it and see what we got. It looks like I got strawberry. Ooh, I got the instructions. And this says baby apple seed. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, good. Open it and see what we got. Something's hard to open. It is Polly. See, Polly. Guys. So, guys, in the cup, I got baby apple. And Wally the watermelon, and I have Polly the pineapple. It's so cute, guys. Guys, they smell so sweet. So guys, now let's open the big surprise. First, let's put this in the bowl. Now let's open it. So cute. Oh, that's cute, guys. What's this? These are stickers or tattoos? Oh yeah, these are stickers. Yeah, let's check what else in here. Okay. Guys, look, they're viewing it. I know you can't see it, guys. Let's go, guys. These are like so cute, guys. Look it. Aww. So, guys, there are 4 fortunes. This says nothing good for you. This one says we make a nice pair. This says you are naturally sweet. And the last one says let's get Fruit Loopy. So inside my pear was a daddy pear and a mommy pear and a sister pear and a baby pear and a doggy pear. Ruff, 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 ruff. Guys, I think my mom put a surprise in here. And let's open it. Guys, guess what it is? I go get you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. It's a pear! It's healthy for you. You have to eat it. Oh, good. This is so good, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.